All right, so you're ready to dive deep with us today. We're talking all about these AI language models that everyone can't stop talking about.
Seems like everywhere you turn, there's Deepseek this and ChatGPT that.
Right, it's like the hottest topic in tech, and honestly, for good reason. But with all this buzz, it's tough to know what's real and what's just hype.
Yeah, are these AI tools really as revolutionary as everyone says?
And if they are, which one is actually better? Which one is right for me?
Well, that's exactly what we're here to figure out today. We've got a ton of fascinating research here, and believe me, some of it's pretty surprising,
Like, did you know that DeepSeek's kind of blowing everyone out of the water when it comes to languages?
especially with Chinese and other Asian languages, yeah. But meanwhile, ChatGPT's over here writing poetry.
AI writing sonnets. Come on, that's wild.
It is wild. So we're going to break it all down, Shanu. DeepSeek versus ChatGPT.
Let's get into it.
All right, so first things first, both DeepSeek and ChatGPT are AI language models, meaning they can understand and generate human language.
Pretty amazing, right? Like talking to a computer that actually gets you.
It really is. But even though they're both AI language models, their approaches are completely different. DeepSeek, which was developed by DeepSeek AI, is open source.
What does open source mean again?
So it means the code is publicly available. Anyone can use it, modify it, build upon it. Think of it like a recipe that's shared with the entire world.
Oh, I got it. So anyone can kind of tinker with DeepSeek and make it their own.
Exactly. ChatGPT, on the other hand, comes from OpenAI, and it works on a proprietary model,
Proprietary, meaning,
meaning it's more like a finished product,
Yeah.
ready to use right out of the box.
so DeepSeek is like building your own custom robot from scratch, and ChatGPT is like buying one that's pre-programmed with a bunch of cool skills.
You got it. And because of that difference, each model has its own strengths. DeepSeek, because it's open source, allows developers to really get in there, tweak it, customize it, and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI.
That makes sense. So DeepSeek is really powerful, but it sounds like you need some serious tech skills
Hmm.
to really unlock its potential.
That's right.
Which explains why, according to your research, DeepSeek is so good at technical tasks.
Absolutely. Coding, complex calculations, even things like scientific research. DeepSeek excels in all those areas.
Research even mentioned its unique architecture. Something about parallel processing, right?
Exactly. DeepSeek can handle massive data sets and complex calculations incredibly fast, which is super important in fields like drug discovery or protein folding, where analyzing huge amounts of data is key.
Okay, so DeepSeek sounds like a dream come true for researchers and developers. But what about the rest of us, the non-techie folks who maybe aren't coding the next big AI breakthrough?
Well, that's where ChatGPT really shines. While ChatGPT is still capable of handling technical stuff, its real strength lies in being user-friendly and having a ton of different applications.
So things like creating content, maybe for social media or marketing, or even just chatting with the AI.
Exactly. It's like having a really smooth, natural-sounding conversation with a machine.
So if I'm understanding this right, it's like choosing the right tool for the job. DeepSeek's the master chef's knife for experts, while ChatGPT's the versatile Swiss Army knife for everyone else.
I like that analogy.
Well, wait, if DeepSeek is open source, does that mean it's free to use?
It is. For developers and researchers, yes. ChatGPT, however, offers both free and paid versions. If you want the most advanced features, like their powerful GPT-4 model, you'll need a subscription.
Okay, so there's the catch. It's interesting, though, because your research actually categorizes them based on what they're best for. DeepSeek dominates in something called research and technical queries, but ChatGPT's got the edge in conversational AI and content creation.
That's right. And something else that your research highlighted is DeepSeek's incredible multilingual capabilities. It's been specifically designed to handle tons of different languages, especially focusing on Chinese and other Asian languages.
Wow, that's a huge deal. Opens up a lot of doors for communication and research across the globe.
It really does.
It's hard not to get caught up in all the excitement surrounding DeepSeek, especially with all the buzz in the tech community.
For sure. It's easy to think that because something's trendy, it must be the best.
Right. But your research actually cautions against assuming that hype automatically equals superiority.
Exactly. Because while DeepSeek is incredibly powerful, it might not be as polished and user-friendly as ChatGPT, especially for everyday tasks. ChatGPT's definitely got the upper hand when it comes to general usability and accuracy.
So DeepSeek could be your ticket to the frontiers of AI, but ChatGPT might be your more reliable vehicle for daily use.
I think that's a great way to sum it up. If you're a researcher, a developer, or someone working on complex technical projects, DeepSeek's open source power is probably your best bet. But if you're looking to use AI for communication, content creation, or everyday tasks, ChatGPT's user-friendly design and broad range of capabilities might be a better fit.
This has been such an eye-opening deep dive. Honestly, I'm just blown away by how far AI has come and what these tools can do.
It is remarkable. Both DeepSeek and ChatGPT are really at the forefront of this AI evolution. And what I find most fascinating is how their different strengths kind of mirror the different ways we're integrating AI into our lives.
Makes you wonder what's coming next, right?
It really does. What new AI capabilities will emerge, and how will they change the world as we know it?
Something to think about for sure.
Definitely.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. Until next time.